platform are becoming more sensitive. Most people actually tried branded, putting in an ID, and it was declined. Some of us tend to understand the benefits you get when you start with MoreLogin. Now, this is the benefit. Why choose MoreLogin in 2025? But before this, let me rightly show you what you need to know, that there is a package that is called the year-end carnival. Now, there is a discount to every user which is accounted to using MoreLogin this season. As you can see that they said discover MoreLogin 2025 year-end carnival. Enjoy up to 50% off on profile plans and up to 20% cashback on top ups. So right here you can see, to thank our global users for their support of MoreLogin this year, we have prepared our biggest annual event, the MoreLogin 2025 year-end carnival. Now this discount is more better than Black Friday. Benefit for both new and existing user. So you don't tend to say you are not an existing user. If you're new or an existing user, you are actually entitled to this. Whether you are involved in an affiliate marketing, social media operations, e-commerce, investments, or managing multiple accounts, this year-end event is an opportunity for you. You can't miss this offer. However, as I'll be showing us the secret of how I was avoiding bans and restrictions on survey, as we proceed with this video, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. I believe you've done that, so thank you for always coming back to support this channel. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the business of today. So now it is advisable you jump into this particular offer because it does not last forever. You can see right here from November 7th down, you still have a time to get access to the benefit of the discount of MoreLogin. Now, unmissable deals, this is the breakdown of unmissable deals. When you come right here, you can see the more you top up, the more you earn cashback will automatically be added to your account balance. Now, why use MoreLogin? Managing overseas account is becoming increasingly difficult. Account bans are happening more frequently. That is, account bans are happening more frequently. Now I'm going to be explaining this part. You're into surveys and you found out that branded is actually disqualifying you. You're using proxy, you're using VPN. MoreLogin is going to make it very easy as it attracts surveys to you. It makes it look like you're already on that region. That is why I advise you use MoreLogin. This account ban is gonna be limited while using MoreLogin. As it says, account bans are happening more frequently when you use other proxy or apps or VPN you use right here. I have made a video explaining how to get access to MoreLogin and how to use this on different platforms, including surveys and other things. Some of us are into foreign TikTok's account, foreign social media accounts. MoreLogin is going to give you benefits of having multiple accounts in different locations without being noticed. If you actually want to have a TikTok account on the USA, if you actually want to have a TikTok account in the United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, you can actually use MoreLogin. Now I'm still going to be explaining the cloud system of this platform. Now when you come right here, you can see where it says, and a platform are becoming more sensitive. Most people actually tried branded, putting in an ID, and it was declined. Now I have a method of you making this ID and also putting it on branded, and it's going to be successful when you tried using this ID, meaning that these platforms are becoming more sensitive. The branded you know in 2023 is not the same branded account you know in 2025. Don't blame anyone for trying to make your account retrievable and at the long run you have issues on your account, because right now these platforms are being sensitive and they are more designed to get their restrictions more advanced. Okay, so what you're to do right now is to use MoreLogin. I explained how you can actually use cloud phones on platforms like this, just like the way you're seeing what the statement says. As it says, and platforms are becoming more sensitive. MoreLogin is specifically designed to address this pain point. Now that is why I bring this to you, because the complaints of my audience, of my subscribers are becoming so much. I see all of your comments complaining that you get shadow banned, you get restricted, and you also get denied of access when you try using some other features on service. Now you can see where it says MoreLogin is specifically emphasis on specifically designed to address this pain point. Now, number one benefit you're to get is an upgraded anti-ban mechanism. What this means is that it's an independent real browser fingerprint environment automatically isolates cache, cookies, and IPs addresses. Now, why you are getting banned or disqualified on service is because these browsers, these VPNs, this proxy has cache and cookies, IPs address that are being detected on your device. So if you go ahead to create another account or that IP has been located or detected to be banned, you're still going to be having multiple bans on that account. Whether you are running TikTok, Facebook, Reddit, or X, that is your Twitter, you're still going to be having these bans. MoreLogin ensures stable operations, eliminating frequent identity verifications requests. Now, this number one actually means that there is an upgraded anti-ban mechanism which restricts you from not being banned, which restricts you from not getting issues on your surveys, your TikTok, your foreign TikTok, your Facebook, and the likes of it. I recommend you use MoreLogin, like I said in my previous video, and I've showed you method of which you can get started with it. In this video, I'm still going to be showing you the cloud system and the benefits you tend to get when you start up with the cloud system. Now, when you come down to number 2, you can see where it says easier management of multiple accounts. I don't know why you still found it difficult to understand that MoreLogin gives you access to different accounts, like different multiple accounts. Each account runs in an independent browser profile, not like you creating different profiles in the same device and it's being detected, because once your IP is linked and it's detected, it's going to affect the order of your account. Visual tag management allows you to easily distinguish between ads and stores. The synchronizer enables one-click backup import and synchronization, resulting in lightning fast efficiency. So the benefit of using MoreLogin is actually not to be emphasized because it actually explains itself and it is more understandable when you log in. So you can actually start up looking at what I'm explaining without getting started right now. Now, the benefit of seamless team collaboration, sub-account management, and permission allocation allows team members to use accounts without sharing password. Not that you're sharing your VPN password, your proxy password, like the way you have to do that. Now, this platform actually gives you permission to allocate the team members to use accounts without sharing password. Now, this is how the interface looks like. As you can see, user review. Now, when you come right here, you can see where this person says, ever since the fingerprint browser theft incident happened next door, I have been using MoreLogin initially, fearing potential mishaps. I only purchased 20 environments year later. As I experienced greater ease of use and speed, I upgraded to 50 environments without hesitation. I have been using it for a year and a half, and the security aspect has been flawless. This is my 3rd annual renewal and confident MoreLogin will only get better. Keep it up. Now, these are people who have actually started using MoreLogin and the benefits they tend to get. How to participate is very simple, which I've explained in most of my video. Come right here, you can see right here, just click the link and download this app. It is affordable. Like I said, it is affordable. These particular proxies are affordable. You have the one of weekly and monthly. Go on and use the one you want to use and be free from shadow banning and restrictions from service. Now, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Once you set up an account, you are going to be having something like this. Now, I explained in my previous video how you can use the cloud phone, which many of us are more focused on because majority of us have mobiles that we actually want to use this MoreLogin on. Now, when you come down to this number 3, you can see after successful payment, you can start using MoreLogin. You need to purchase these proxies, these IPs, for you to get access to that. Okay, create a separate browser profile so you can start using it. Number 4 actually explains binding the proxy. You just have to bind this proxy so you can get started and click on confirm. So the moment you do that, you can see you can start running your profile, and once you click on start, automatically you don't actually have to use any other tools or do any other setup on your device. Some of you will be asking, is it only for laptops? Now, the package that are available right now are only assigned to system. So what I would advise you do is to try to get a system or get connected using a desktop mode. Now when you come right here, these are relative posts about this proxy, how to set up an incognito on this proxy, how to protect or delete, and so many others right here. Like I said, there are free trials to this. You can actually use the free trial to understand how this platform works, then get to understand properly in-depth analysis while using this. Now when you come over to this hamburger icon right here, you can see we have the anti-detect browser, we have the cloud phone, we have the pricing, affiliate program, use cases, and the likes of it. Now what I'm focused on is the cloud phone. The moment you click on this cloud phone, it will ask you to set up an account for yourself. Now you need to set up an account for yourself before you can have access to this platform. All you just need to do is to go ahead to set up an account using your Google, and you get access to the cloud phone. If you actually want to watch the video on how to get connected on cloud phone or MoreLogin, comment in this video and I'm going to be sending you the link that explains fully how you can get connected on cloud phone, have multiple accounts on cloud phone, be it your TikTok, be it your Facebook, be it your surveys. You will have multiple accounts on the same device, as every account has been specialized and specifically designed for a particular browser. So that is the future benefits of using MoreLogin right now. So I would advise you take off the percentage discount that has been assigned this period from the 7th to the 31st of December. So if you actually miss this opportunity of this discount period, this festive period, then you will have no other thing but to blame yourself for not starting with MoreLogin today. So this is how I was able to start up with this MoreLogin and have shadow banning and the likes of it out of my account. So I don't have issues while running my surveys, my foreign TikTok account, and my foreign social media account. So you can start up today using the link on the pinned comment section to set up an account and take advantage of this discount offer that is available to you. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.